Suppose we are given a proportion like this: A is to B and C is to D. So can we write this proportion as B is to A, D is to C? Okay, now let's check it. When we are given this proportion, so as we know the basic of mathematics, so I can write as this: A over B is equal to C over D. So, and we know the basic properties. If I multiply both sides with B, then there is no problem. The equality will be the same. So we can cancel out. Here is a A and here is a C over D and 2B. So if I say that, if I divide both sides with A, that is, if I'm suppose I'm multiplying 1 over A to both sides, so here's a cancel, so 1 is equal to C over D and 2B over A. So in the same way, suppose if I multiply both sides with D, I'm multiplying with D, and again I am multiplying 1 over C to both sides. So the left hand side of this equality will be D over C, and here we can cancel out one time C and one time C, and the same way one time D and one time D. So we can write the right hand side as B over A. So if I say that 4 is equal to 2 multiplied 2, it means that 2 multiplied 2 will be equal to 4. In the same way, I can write this as this side B over A is equal to this side D over C. So in a ratio, I can write this as B is to A, D is to C. So this here B is to A and D is to C. It means that I can write this proportion and this form. So this form is called invertendo theorem. Invertendo theorem. So you can write as that A is to B proportion C is to D is the same as, this implies that B is to A and D is to C.